Every minute in theatre counts. MasterCare PAS Theatre Management brings your whole list into one live view. See every theatre and every case at a glance, from booked and pre-op through to recovery and discharge. Reschedule with a simple drag and drop and catch a late start before it delays the day. Capture observations, track the trend, and step through timeout and session close, all in one place. And because it works on any device, including touchscreens, your team can use it right at the point of care. Best of all, it works with the patient administration system you already run. There's no replacement, no data migration, and no drawn-out change project. Switch it on in stages and feel the benefit from day one. More flexible, easier to use, and time back every list. MasterCare PAS. Talk to your account manager about the productivity platform.